So guys, I want to show you guys how I do edit my pictures using airbrush. So I'm going to click on my airbrush application. Now this is my airbrush. Once it opens, I'm going to click on library, and then I go search for the picture I want to edit. I want us to edit this picture together. This recent picture, where is it though? Let's edit this picture together. So this is the picture we are going to be editing. So first thing first, I like to click on this magic here. When I click on the magic, it shows me smooth. Then I smoothen it like this. I smoothen it to the end. You can leave yours anywhere you feel like that is okay for you. You can decide to leave it at 65, 70, but I just want to put my own at 100 because I'm not going to be smoothing it on another app. So I'm going to be using this app for this editing, for this picture editing sake. So as I'm putting it to the 100 and last part, and then I mark all other features on that magic are paid features. So I don't use any one apart from the smoothing feature. So the next one, I don't use this cups. You can use it if you feel like. I don't use reshape. I don't use reshape. Reshape is for you to, if you want to bring out, maybe like you can use the shape to increase the height of your gele, just like this. You can see, you can use it to increase the height of the gele. If you want the gele to be very high, you can use reshape for that. So that's for that reshape. Then the next one I use is resize. I don't use, okay, we just use resize now, abi? Okay, so the next one I used to use here is the smoothing button, where I just go like this. Just swipe your fingers on the areas you want to smoothen. You swipe your finger on it like this, then smoothen it out. You can zoom it in just like this, and then smoothing it out like this. Smoothing everything out like this. Smooth it out like this. Smoothing it, smoothing it, smoothing it. If you feel that you have smoothing your picture, you can click on eraser here and then zoom it in, and then erase the parts you don't want to be really smoothing, or you feel you have over smoothing. So that is for smoothing. Then you mark it like that. So the next one I do use here is the acne button, and I used to put it on auto. So I remove all the acne on the face automatically, and then I mark. And then the next one, I don't use foundation because it's a paid feature. The texture firm, it's a paid feature. Then the next one I do use is the skin tone. And then when I use skin tone, I just go to the skin tone closer to a shade, and I use this, the third one, and then I swipe my finger on the skin, on the areas I want to tone, just like so. So here you can decide to increase your smoothing, your tone. You can see, and you can reduce it, increase, reduce. You can decide to put it at 46, 58, and like so. So I'm going to put my own at 50, 63. Let's put mine at 63. So, and then I mark it. The next one I do use this detail. It's a paid feature, but when you click on it like this and you use it to the areas you want to use it for, when you mark it and it brings out that you cannot save it without paying, when you cancel it, it will show you pay. Let me show you guys. Maybe I've used details now for the areas I want to be detailed. Okay guys, so when I mark it like this, let me show you guys what I'm trying to explain. And it shows me that subscribe to save your awesome edit. You know, we don't want to subscribe for this. So when you cancel it like this, it will show you share to use one time for free, maybe later. So let me show you guys what I mean by share. When you click on share to use later, it will show you to share on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, or on WhatsApp. So if I decide to share on Facebook, I don't have network, so you can decide to share it on Facebook or on Instagram or Twitter or WhatsApp, so that you can be able to save that feature. Then if you cannot save it, you can see that there's a whole lot of difference. Let me show you guys the difference. When you want to see the difference, you click here. You can see before, after, before, after. So we are not using that for now, so I'm going to just click away. And then the next thing, all the remaining ones are highlighter, paid features, matte paid features. The next one is whitening. I do use whitening to whitening the teeth. As soon as she opens her teeth in this picture, I'm going to use whitening to whiten the teeth. So the next one I do use is my brighten, just to brighten. Then I swipe my fingers on the skin like this, swipe it on the skin just to brighten. Just give it small details, that like just the detail we wanted to use earlier. So if you cannot use detail because it's a paid feature, you can use brighten. Okay guys, so that's it. So then we mark, and the next one is dark circles. So for these dark circles, I use them for my under eye here, where I have dark, like stains, like mascara stain or eyeliner stain. I just use them for that part, and that's it guys. So we save, and that's it for that, for editing. Then here we have tools. These tools, we have everything there is paid, is a paid feature. They are paid features. And this filter, if you want to use filter, they are all paid features too. Then makeup, I've not used this before, but if you want to use them, there are some that are not paid and there are some that are paid, so it's left to you. So that's that on how I do edit my pictures. Let me now show you guys the before and after, before we save our picture. So this is the before and this is after. Before, after. So that's it guys, before, after, before, after. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this editing, and let me know what you want to see next on this channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Before we go, you just have to save. Click there to save your pictures, and boom, just go to your library and view your picture there. That's it. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.